Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today we are reviewing this wig I received from Unice Hair. They sent me this beautiful honey blonde wig. Very full, very blonde. I love it so much. If you guys want to see all the details on this wig, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. And follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you guys can follow me there. So you can participate in all my posts, question, answers, giveaways, everything I have going on my Instagram. The new year is coming up, so happy new year to everyone. And I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. And let's go ahead and get this video started. Okay, you guys, so we are working with Unice Hair today. They sent me this wig in this packaging. It was just in the delivery bag, and then it had this drawstring bag. Inside, we do have a few little gifts. Inside, we have this baggie that has some clips in it, some lashes, and a hairband. Hold on, let me open this because these lashes are looking pretty good. Talk about voluminous lashes. What? Yes. And we got some hair clips in there and then a scarf. All right, and then they sent this cute little card. It's a Christmas card. It's so cute. Some wig caps. And they sent me a little stocking. Lastly, we have the wig. All right, so this is the wig. This is a honey blonde body wave. I believe it's a T-part wig. If not, I will have all the information in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. Also, I believe it is 24 inches. It feels really good, this color. Honestly, I'm a little nervous. This color. I've never done a color like this on my channel thus far, so let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so real quick, this is how the wig is constructed. It looks like it's just an opening right here and then a little bit on the edges. We have 3 clips, one on the left, right, or I should say combs, 3 combs on the bottom, adjustable straps, and then this extra piece of lace that I just cut off in the back. Alright, you guys, so this is the hair all styled. I just put some flat iron curls in here and it curled beautifully. I'm trying to actually loosen up the curls a little bit because I like a little, you know, a little body wave situation. But yes, this is how the hair turned out. This is the lace. I put a couple of baby hairs in there. Nothing too deep. This is the ends. They look really good. Let me show you guys the back real quick. This is the back. It's nice and full. So yes, this hair is beautiful. All of the details to this honey blonde wig will be in the description. It's giving me kind of like strawberry blonde too. Like in person, I feel like it's a little bit of red, like auburn in here. Yes, it looks good though. It looks very good, baby. A full wig, baby. So yes, this is it. It is very cute. It's not tangling up on me at all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, let's shout out Unice Hair again for sending me this beautiful wig. Make sure you guys check the description box for all the information. And I'm sure there's a discount code in there as well. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.